Naughty Granny, you're not gonna catch me. Woohoo! I'm jumping, I am jumping, I am jumping, and what then? Ooh, I don't, whoops. There you are, Diva. Y- You, I don't know what Diva's doing this sleep. Plant? Is that a plant? Yes, just place it right there. Uh, Let's say 111 is okay. Now, oh, it's 40, 2226, and okay, let me time. Oh, that isn't good. Let me try this again. 0, 1. Well, sorry. 6, I don't know. 4. Enter. Now what is? Okay, now I'm gonna do it. Hold on. How do I work this thing? Is it hard? Okay, it's hard. Is it very hard? Yes, it's very hard. It's very, very hard. Get back here. Oops, I knocked over the TV. Let me try that again. You can keep watching this video right until the end. So this is how this is done, and let's see, how is it so slippery? I nearly got it. Okay, now you watch the heart of the story now. Somehow we've got to make it work. Click, click, click. Oh, Granny's coming. Click, 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 click. What? Why is it not clicking? Mommy, what's happening? I'll try and get it. Come here. Come back. Oh, Granny's sitting down. We're all good. We're okay. Yeah, let's just try and figure this out. Can I do it? Click, click, click. Over there. Tricky. Oh, this mouse is so tricky. Oh, hello, Grandpa. Grandpa's sitting down like Granny. Do you want to look at another photo? No, I think we'll leave Grandpa where he is. You're okay, Grandpa. We'll leave you there. I think I need my glasses soon. There they are. Let's put on my cat glasses. Can I pick them up? Granny, are these my glasses? Yeah, I'm just gonna put these on so I can see Grandpa a bit better. Oh, no. I'm just looking after these glasses, Granny. It's okay. Don't come to me. Look, I'll put them back. Haha, psych. No, not really. I think I should put them back or else she's gonna get the frying pan. Granny, where you going? Granny! Oh, look, fish. Hello, fishies. Oh, yeah, let's feed these fish. Then I can eat the fish after they're full up. What a yummy dinner.